probably should have laid my edges before starting this video, but laying of edges is not a 2018 priority. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So in this video, I'm going to chat all about these crochet braids that I've been wearing for the past 3 weeks, how I got them installed, what kind of hair it is, my thoughts on the hair, thoughts on maintenance, etc, etc. So if you're interested in seeing about this hair, keep on watching this video. So if you haven't seen my Africa travel vlog yet, definitely go and watch that. Like, put this on pause and go and watch that, because you can definitely see the hair in action, but also it's just really fun. I had such a good time in Kenya and Nigeria over Christmas and New Year's, just seeing family. Didn't want to worry about doing my hair while I was on vacation, so I decided to get these crochet braids installed. So this hair is Curlkalon hair. If you're not familiar with Curlkalon, it is a black owned hair company that makes crochet hair. When they first came out, it was revolutionary. I remember people had been using Marley hair and then putting it on perm rods and dipping it. Nobody does that anymore. Curlkalon was really at the forefront of that movement. It's been cool to watch them evolve over the past couple of years. And they recently started offering 24-inch length. So before they had 10 inches and 20 inches, and now they offer 24. So I have the Kenzie Curl in 24 inches, 2 colors, the colors 4, and then these lighter accents are the color 30. They come in these individual boxes. I ended up using 4.5 boxes of hair to achieve this style, which is very full. It's like a lot of hair. So these come 20 in a box. They just look like this, and they're already pre-curled. And you just use your crochet hook thing, stick it in, loop it through, you know, do the thing. If you've ever done crochet braids, these are really easy to use. They're super, super bouncy, and as you can see, it's kind of thick. It's a lot of hair. So for some of the smaller sections, like the tighter braids in the front, we definitely split this into 2 or 3 or 4 to get it underneath those tighter and smaller braids. I got this installed by Tashonda. I'll leave her contact information down below. She's located in New York City, and she was doing a deal, I think, for 2017. I don't know if she's still doing the deal anymore, the crochet braid deal, but I'll leave her contact information below. You can hit her up and tell her that Ijeoma sent you and that you liked what she did for her. Tashonda braided up my hair in a beehive pattern, starting here. This is the first braid, and it goes round and round and round, and then here it kind of like goes in a circle. So she braided my hair in a beehive pattern because she said it would help layer it better. So when I've done crochet braids on myself before, which I have installed Curlkalon's Carrie curl, I'll link that video below. I just did straight back because I can't cornrow, and definitely not in a circle. So I had a really hard time kind of shaping that hair because I just did it straight back. So Tashonda said that by doing it in a beehive, it would help the hair look more natural. So that was the installation, and now for how I felt about the hair. So the Kenzie curl is the loosest of the 4 curl options that Curlkalon offers, and the Carrie curl is either the tightest or the second tightest. In terms of whether this actually looks like my hair, no, obviously not. This is a really, really loose curl. My hair can be set on perm rods and flexi rods and whatnot, and it still won't be this loose of a curl. So this is definitely something different than what I'm used to, and that's kind of one of the reasons that I wanted it. I really wanted big curly hair, and I have had big curly hair for the past 3 weeks. You know, after wearing this hair for 3 weeks, I do feel like the Carrie curl aged better and that it looked more and more natural as time went along, whereas I felt like this just kind of got like frizzier and frizzier. And because these curls are longer and I think bigger, there isn't as much volume on the top. So when I had the Carrie curl, I remember there being like hair up here, whereas now there's like obviously like no hair up here, which is kind of a bit annoying. I found myself like doing this a lot to try to get some more volume at the top and to just make it look a bit more natural at the top, but no one has time to be doing this with their hair all the time. So just FYI, the Kenzie curl definitely like lays flatter than some of the other curl options. So last time I had this kind of hair, I also did a maintenance and how I take care of my crochet braids video, so I will link to that as well. To be honest, I was super lazy this time around and I didn't trim out the fuzz and trim out the knots like regularly. I just didn't do that this time around, so it kind of is like in some places like this, like I should probably cut this out. This is kind of embarrassing. So this definitely looks more natural now than it did on day 1 when I had it, because it looks a bit more lived in. In terms of cost, you can now find cheaper hair than Curlkalon hair, but that hair is not black owned. So if you want to support a black owned business, I don't think that this is too much or too overly expensive to invest in. You can save some money by installing it yourself versus going to a stylist. If you install the hair carefully, you can remove it and then use it again. I took my Carrie curls down, and for the past, I don't know, 2 years, have been meaning to make a crochet wig out of them. So the curls on that one are still very much intact and I can definitely use them again. I've also seen a couple like really cool braidless crochet videos, so I might try one of those styles, like using this leftover hair. So I'm not sure if there are any coupon codes at the moment for Curlkalon, but if there are, I'll include them down below so you can save on your order. Alright, so I'm done with my little hair reshape. Nothing major, just a few snips here and there. If you have any questions about crochet braids or Curlkalon hair or the installation process or the wear process, definitely feel free to let me know down below. In conclusion, I liked the Kenzie curl. I felt like it was cool for vacation. I wouldn't wear it every day or for like a regular style. I don't think that it looks natural enough to pass as your real hair. I think the Carrie curl or even the Tony curl are better options for that. So if you're looking for something that's really believable, I wouldn't recommend the Kenzie curl, but if you're looking for big, fun diva hair, Kenzie curl is definitely for you. So thanks so much, you guys, for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!